Welcome to Megamation Direct Line Training. This video will look at the process to create a new PM procedure. To create a new PM procedure, go to Module, Preventative Maintenance, PM Procedure Entry. The PM number is a sequential counter. It will always give the next available number. This number can be changed if desired and can include numbers, letters, and dashes. Status can be set to active or inactive. Any PM set to active status will be checked by the PM scheduler. Any set to inactive will not, and therefore will not create work orders. The title is a text field used to enter a brief description of what the PM is. For example, monthly lift truck inspection. The last mandatory field is the PM type. There are 4 PM types, and each changes the way the PM will be scheduled. First, PM. This type allows adding multiple equipment and produces one work order for each piece of equipment. Each equipment can have a different last done date, since a separate work order will be created for each one. PMI, or Preventative Maintenance Inspection. This type allows adding multiple equipment, but creates a single work order with all equipment on it. For this type, all frequencies and last done dates must be the same. The last is PMC, or Preventative Maintenance Consolidated. This allows for only a single piece of equipment, but consolidates all of the frequencies for that equipment into one PM entry. For example, if an equipment has a certain PM tasks that need to be done monthly, and other tasks that need to be done quarterly, a PMC will allow both of these frequencies to be added to the same PM entry with different tasks and different documents attached for each frequency. Priority can be filled by clicking the drop-down and choosing from the list. Each priority code has a corresponding number of days. When work orders are scheduled from this PM entry, this priority will set the due date for the work order. For example, if the PM is set to priority 5, when the work order is created, the due date will be set to 5 days from the date the work order is scheduled. Assign to and issue to can be filled out so that every work order that comes from this PM will be assigned and/or issued right away. This can save time during the planning process. Assign to is used to assign the work order to a group. Issue to is used to issue the work order to an employee. Add the building by clicking the drop-down and choosing a building from the displayed list. The building can be used as a filter on the PM scheduler. The scheduling information section is where the equipment to be PM'd, the frequency of the PM, and the last done date will be entered. Add equipment by clicking in the equipment field, then select the search button to use the equipment search. This is the same equipment search that is found on the equipment entry screen. See the equipment entry video for details on how to use it. Add a frequency for each equipment line by clicking the drop-down and selecting from the list. Frequency codes can be added or removed in the administration menu, or by clicking Tools in the toolbar and selecting PM frequency entry. See the PM frequency code entry video for more details. Fill the last done date by clicking the search button in the date field, then double-clicking on the date. Keep in mind this is not the next time the PM will be scheduled, but rather the last time. For example, if this were a PM that should come out tomorrow, then set the last done date as 1 month ago. This date will automatically update as PMs are scheduled. Interval and last read are used when PMs will be scheduled by something other than elapsed time. See the PM scheduled by readings video for details. Attaching documents or checklists can be done by clicking the Line Scheduling Details button in the bottom right corner. See the PM Details video for more information. Click the Detailed Work Description tab to enter a description of the work to be done. This is a text-only field. Anything typed in this field will show up in the work description field on the work order. Now click Save. The PM procedure entry screen is now cleared and ready to create another PM procedure.